Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we will be doing the unboxing of the residential project Narang Privado by Narang Realty located in Thane. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project right in front of the sales office, behind which you can also see the actual land parcel and the actual tower where the construction is in full swing. You can also have a look at the main road and the neighborhood of the project. In this video, we will be discussing what points like project overview, location and connectivity, internal and external amenities, master plan, floor plan, carpet area analysis, parking, maintenance, possession, pros and cons and much more. But first, let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. And now, talking about the project overview, this project will be constructed on a land parcel of 7 acres that will have 5 towers. As you can see in the model, it will have 2 basements plus ground plus 2 levels of podium plus 38 to 41 residential floors having 2 BHK, 3 BHK and 2 plus 2 BHK Jodi premium residences. And now talking about the location and connectivity, this project is located near Pokhran Road, Acharya Atre Marg, Bartan Nagar, Thane, from where ESIC Hospital is only at a distance of 1.4 kilometers. Koram Mall is at a distance of 2.4 kilometers and you have Eastern Express Highway at a distance of 2 kilometers from the project. And now talking about the amenities, internal amenities, you will be getting Italian marble flooring, modular kitchen, branded fittings, intercom facilities, exquisite bathrooms, CCTV and many more. And talking about the external amenities, this project has multiple luxurious amenities. As you can see in the model, it will have a swimming pool, kids pool, multi-purpose court, gym, clubhouse, jogging track, kids play area and many more. And now talking about the parking part, this project has 3 levels of car parking facilities that is on the basement, ground and podium. Also, let's now have a look at the master plan. As you can see in the image, this is the master plan of Narang Privado. Here you can see these are the 5 towers with 2 BHK in 479 to 800 square feet, 3 BHK in 903 to 1295 square feet and 2 plus 2 BHK Jodi within 1486 to 1619 square feet. Let's now have a look at the floor plan. As you can see in the image, this is the floor plan that will have 7 flats, 5 lifts and 2 staircases on each floor. Let's now have a look at the unit plans. As you can see in the image, this is the unit plan of 2 BHK of 800 square feet and this is the unit plan of 3 BHK of 1295 square feet. And now talking about the maintenance varies with configuration, with 2 BHK maintenance ranging between 5,700 to 9,600 per month and 3 BHK maintenance ranging between 10,800 to 15,500 per month. Also 2 plus 2 BHK Jodi maintenance ranging between 17,800 to 19,400 per month. And now talking about the possession part, the project has RERA possession date for March 2029 but the target possession is for December 2026. And to know about the pros and cons of the project, you can visit our website www.housey.com. So everyone, this was the unboxing of the residential project Narang Privado by Narang Realty located in Thane.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project unboxing videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.